If your 2003 to 2006 Chevrolet Tahoe headlights are completely dark on one side, or you lose an entire mode altogether, don't start tearing your wiring or dashboard apart yet. Check these specific 10-amp fuses and relays under the hood first. Pop your hood and open the main electrical center on the driver's side. If your high beams refuse to turn on, you need to focus on 2 individual fuses and 1 main relay. If only one side is dark, check the fuse number 13 controls the driver's side high beam and fuse number 14 controls the passenger side high beam. Pull the suspect fuse out. If the metal bar inside is snapped, swap it with a matching spare. However, if both high beams went out at the exact same time, but your low beams work fine, look for relay R3. This is the main high beam relay. When it fails, it cuts power to both high beam fuses entirely, leaving you completely in the dark when you flick the switch. If it's your everyday driving lights that are giving you trouble, move over to the low beam components. Again, if just one side is out, it's likely a single blown fuse. Look for fuse number 15 for the driver's side low beam, or fuse number 16 for the passenger side low beam. Now, if both of your low beams are completely dead, but your high beams still work perfectly, don't blame the bulbs just yet. Locate relay R6, which is the low beam headlight relay. If this relay burns out internally, the power flow gets blocked and neither low beam bulb will get a single volt of power.